Welcome to the second episode of our Getting Started video series with Kris Monsen, one of Apple's R&D engineer. He will show you how to safely remove and install modules on the XC5000 platform.
Hi, welcome. We are going to talk about installing modules on the XC5000 platform today. Step one, before you start with anything else, it's going to be ESD protection. Please always wear an anti-static wristband before you start working, properly connected to the same ground as the XC before you touch the card. This prevents buildup of static electricity, which may damage the card, and we recommend that you use a earth bonding plug or similar connected to the same outlet as the XC5000. Alright, so now it's time to actually remove some modules from the XC5000. So we'll start with this single module here. You'll need a screwdriver, and then you want to loosen the screws on the top and the bottom here. So that's the top, and then it's the bottom. And then when you loosen both screws, you just pull down on this mechanism here, and the card will pop out, and then you just carefully remove the card. Like this, and try to pull it out in one straight motion, right out from the chassis. And there you go. Immediately after you've taken out the card, please just find the accompanying anti-static bag, and just put it in straight away. Like so, and then just put it straight in the accompanying cardboard box, just to be really sure that you don't get any physical damage to the card. With the card now out of the XC5000, we can now install a new module. Here it is. So you just take it out of the anti-static bag. And then we will install it. When you install, you have these rails here in black. Be really careful and make sure that the card actually travels into these rails or these guides. So you might need an extra flashlight, or just be a bit careful that you actually get it into the rails. And when you have confirmed that they are properly inserted in the rails, just push it in one straight motion, preferably using both hands. So just flip this lever here to properly insert, and then just tighten the screws on the top and the bottom. So in some XC5000 units, you might see that you have some old versions of cards, such as this one, which uses 2 slots instead of 1, but replacements usually only have 1 slot. So to remove old 2 double slot cards, you just untighten 2 screws on the top, 2 screws at the bottom, and then it's basically the same procedure as the single slot cards. And then you just press down on this lever here, like so, and then it's almost released. Use both hands when you take out the card, like so. And there you go. Alright, so with the double slot card removed, we now have a new single slot card, and we have a front plate that we can use to cover the slot we're not going to use. Again, making sure that these rails work. So. And there you go. All done. Alright, so just be aware, if you're replacing any switch modules, you can only install them in certain slots. You can only install them in slot 0, or you can install them in slot 17. But elsewise, the install procedure is exactly the same as for any single slot module. Alright, so that was installing cards on the XC5000. I hope you found this video helpful. And again, if you have any questions or you wish to contact us, just visit us on our website, appear.net. Ha det bra!